Okay, today we are doing a review on a few things. We're going to be doing a review on, well, it came as a package set. I got this over at, well, I guess you could buy it at Lowe's, you could buy it at Rona, you could buy it at a few other places, but okay. So what it is battery powered blower and trimmer. And here's the battery that came with it. As you can see, lithium, 20 volt, 1.5 amps. Okay, so let's look at the bottom of this, so you can get model numbers and whatnot to get an idea. Now, I bought this about a little over a year ago. This is the second season I've had it. So I bought it in 2019, I used it for 2020, and now 2021. It's halfway through the summer. It's August, beginning of August, second week of August. So it's got lots of use, and I use it for a couple things. I use it for two things. One, I use it for this, which is the blower. Here's the model number. And I also use it for the trimmer. Here's the trimmer. Okay, there's the model number right there. These came in a set. So I wanted to start off with showing you, of course, the battery and where we started out today. The battery, of course, is fully charged, as you can tell by the indicators. Charge it up, and we're only going to use one battery today. I want to show you what we can do with one battery and a trimmer and the blower on one battery. Just this one. That's it. I won't switch out. I'll let you know when it does. So I'm trying to do play-by-play. I got the action cam on my chest. We'll see what happens there. So I'll give you an idea. I have a front yard and I have a backyard. So I'm going to start, of course, with this is pretty much what we're trimming today. With the front yard. We're going to trim that, we're going to blow that, make sure everything's good. And the backyard's even more fun, so I'll show you that later on. Alright. And of course we'll have a review on this later on too. This is a nice little unit, but that's another story. Alright, so today's review is going to be BLACK+DECKER LCC221 blower and the BLACK+DECKER LCC221 trimmer. Cool thing. It's got some wear and tear. It's got some use. Still got cord, and the original cord, mind you, and it works really well. All right, let's get to this. Let's get to the fun. Coffee in us so we can have some energy for today. Alright, pretty straightforward. Grab the trimmer. You take your battery. You know, it only fits in one way. Elementary, my dear Watson. There you go. Slides in there. That's still. It hasn't worn down, so give it a good little whack. The battery's in there. You measure right here. You gotta push this in order for you to actually use the trimmer. But that's always good, so you don't just go rank and like keep on pressing on this one. Alright, let's do some trimming. Time for the trimmer section of this. Let's go out a little here. The trimmer. Same battery as before. It was on the trimmer. So we're going to put it on the blower and do our cleanup. I got the body cam going on, so let's get started. Okay, so end result of trimming, mowing, blowing. Don't mind the dead patch in the lawn because, well, the basketball hoop was there. But, I mean, hey, I'm not an expert when it comes to doing lawns, by no means a necessity. So, that's it, that's all. And that's all she wrote. It's a pretty good job for the trimming and the blowing and cleanup. And, of course, the lawn cutting. All right, let's go to the back. I tell you, this little sucker here, there's a model number ago as well. So many versatile uses. I've used this from everything from drying to blowing to cooling down to cleaning my computer, you name it. Best investment ever. Definitely recommend getting one. That's it for our blower trimmer and lawnmower review. Thanks for watching. Bye.